Light Up Middletown. Jason Guyman here with Christmas Lights Community. So, I took the family, my wife Jody and my two beautiful daughters, and we went to this amazing drive-through light display in Middletown, Ohio. It's an awesome display. There's a Rudolph fishing and all different kinds of things. This was a lot of fun. It's free, or you donate by cash, so you don't have to spend $20-$30 to go through a drive-through. And this was really for a light up with no playing with music. I would have to say this would be probably one of my top two right here. I do like the ones with the music, but this one did not have music playing. I mean, it has music playing in the background, but it's not actually going through that. This park is at Smith Park in Middletown. It's actually pretty close to a couple other places that are around. So you can actually hit this one. We actually did Land of Illusion and we did this one here. So it is close enough that you can do both. They're only like 6-7 minutes apart. I think I take that back. It's like 13 minutes apart, 13-14 minutes apart. So it's actually really close to the other one. And this one was great. My kids loved it. Here shortly, my daughter will be singing the 12 Days of Christmas, and I hope you enjoy.
First day of Christmas. Oh, it's the 12 Days of Christmas, Jenna.
Oh yeah.
Day
On
one.
the first day of Christmas, won't you look at me? A partridge and a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, won't you look at me? Two turtles and a partridge and a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, won't you look at me? Three French hens, two turtles and a partridge and a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, won't you look at me? Four calling birds, three French hens, two turtles and a partridge and a tree. On the fifth day of Christmas,
Look at that calling bird. He's on a
on the
phone.
fifth day of Christmas,
It's on a cell phone.
won't you look at me? Five golden rings, four calling birds, three French hens, two turtles, a partridge and a pear tree. On the sixth day of Christmas, won't you look at me? 6 geese laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtles, a partridge and a pear tree. On the seventh day of Christmas, won't you look good to me? 10 swans and 6 geese laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtles, a partridge and a pear tree. On the eighth day of Christmas, won't you look good to me? 8 maids of milk and 7 swans swimming, 6 geese laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtles, a partridge and a pear tree. On the ninth day of Christmas, won't you look good to me? 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milk and 7 swans swimming, 6 geese laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtles, a partridge and a pear tree. On the 10th day of Christmas, won't you look good to me? 10 lords leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milk and 7 swans swimming, 6 geese laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtles, and a partridge and a pear tree. On the 11th day of Christmas, won't you look good to me? 11 pipers piping, 10 lords leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milk and 7 swans swimming, 6 geese laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtles, and a partridge and a pear tree. On the 12th day of Christmas, won't you look good to me? 11 pipers piping, 10 lords leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids of milk and 7 swans swimming, 6 geese laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree.
And again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I have a bunch of other displays I will be putting up on here. The Cincinnati Zoo. We did Land of Illusions. We went to Clifton, up in the Clifton Mills. So I will definitely be having more videos. So please subscribe so you can check these out when they come out. And also I have a few that are in locally around the Greater Cincinnati area. Again, thank you for watching, and please have a Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas.